myself Susmita, and today I am going to make a hand painted Chador Mekhela, Assamese Chador Mekhela, and the material is cotton, pure cotton. This is my Chador Mekhela. This one I am going to make today, and if you like my video, please watch till the end. And this is my first series, and in this video I am going to explain how to make it, how to paint it, how to wear it, and how to sell it. So I am going to explain everything in details in this video, so you will be benefited from my video. And if you want to make your own, you can also make it, but before copying, please take permission from me, means designs and all. And please watch till the end, and if you like it, please share with your friends, so that I will get support and motivation, and I will make more videos in further days. Let's start. So to paint this Chador Mekhela, I am using acrylic colors. This is camel acrylic color, green color. This is sap green color. Then this is also from camel. This is also camel acrylic color, purple violet color. As I am going to paint orchid flower, so this is violet and purple mix color. And also I want to mix it with white color to make shadows and all. So these three colors mainly I am using to make this Chador Mekhela and to paint this Chador Mekhela. So you can buy these colors from online, Flipkart, Amazon, or you can buy from wholesale market, any wholesale market, or any bookshop also you can